Hi everyone, this is STHN coming to you with a how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through different pages in Power BI on click of a button without using any bookmarks. So it's just as simple as just setting up some properties and you're good to go. Amazing feature, right? So let's get started. So let me just create a button over here, a blank button. Okay, and set up the button text to say next page. Okay, and text size say 20. Alright, now when I click on this button, I want it to navigate to this new page in which I already have a text which says this is a new page. Okay, so instead of creating a bookmark and things like that, all we need to do is click on the button, go to its properties, okay, go to action and change the action type to page navigation. Okay, and in the destination you need to select which page it needs to go to. So in this case I need it to go to this new page. So whatever page name you have given, you need to select that. You can also add a nice tooltip which can say like click here to go to new page, or you can even say click here for more details about a particular report or a graph or something like that. Yeah, so now let's see how it works. Click here to go to a new page. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it now and ta-da! This is a new page. Pretty simple, right? Amazing feature, Microsoft. A big thumbs up to you guys. Yeah, so if you also like this feature, and I'm sure that you can find various ways and methods to use this, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below how you're going to use this feature, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Take care. Bye bye.